Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is December 11th, 2025, and we're diving into Lululemon's third quarter earnings report for fiscal 2025. Joining us is John, senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Lululemon has just released their Q3 2025 earnings, and there's a lot to unpack, from revenue growth to strategic initiatives like their stock repurchase program.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Lululemon reported a net revenue of $2.6 billion for the third quarter, marking a 7% increase from last year. John, how does this align with market expectations?
It's quite impressive, especially considering the forecasted EPS was $2.22 by 12 analysts, and Lululemon delivered a diluted EPS of $2.59. This beat expectations significantly, showcasing their strong operational execution and international growth.
What about their profitability metrics?
While revenue grew, the gross margin did see a decline of 290 basis points to 55.6%. However, the overall earnings per share still exceeded expectations, which is a positive sign of their cost management and strategic focus.
International growth and challenges. John, Lululemon's international segment seems to be a major growth driver. Can you elaborate on this?
Absolutely. International revenue surged by 33%, with comparable sales up by 18%. This contrasts with a 2% decline in the Americas, highlighting the company's successful expansion and brand acceptance in global markets.
What challenges do they face in the Americas?
The Americas saw a 5% decrease in comparable sales, indicating competitive pressures and market saturation. Lululemon needs to address these challenges to stabilize and grow in their home market.
Strategic initiatives and stock repurchase. Let's talk about Lululemon's strategic initiatives. They've increased their stock repurchase program by $1.0 billion. What does this signal to investors?
This is a strong signal of confidence from the board and management in Lululemon's future prospects. Repurchasing shares can enhance shareholder value and indicates that the company believes its stock is undervalued.
How does their financial position support these initiatives?
They ended the quarter with $1.0 billion in cash and a $593 million credit facility, providing ample liquidity to support growth initiatives and the repurchase program.
Future outlook and guidance. Looking ahead, what guidance has Lululemon provided for the fourth quarter and the full year?
For Q4, they expect revenue between $3.5 billion and $3.585 billion, with EPS ranging from $4.66 to $4.76. For the full year, revenue is projected to be between $10.962 billion and $11.47 billion, with EPS between $12.92 and $13.02.
What are the key factors influencing this guidance?
They anticipate challenges like higher tariffs and operational costs, but are confident in their mitigation strategies, including vendor savings and pricing actions. Their strong international performance is also a key driver for these optimistic projections.